have these Wenobby hairpins. These are the U-shaped pins. We use this all the time for dance. These are old school strong, and I'm going to tell you why. They really do hold the bun. They're thicker and they're longer. So we got 2.8 inches on the length, and this is why I pick these, and 7 centimeters on the diameter. But they do make the bun stay put because they are thicker and they are longer. So the rounded tip does matter. As my daughter says, you're poking my scalp, but these make her feel, when I put the pins in, it's smoother and less pokey, as she says. You get 2 storage boxes, which is great because these hairpins love to vanish, as always. But if you're doing buns or twists or dance hair or pinning a hairpiece, these are a no-brainer, and you'll use fewer pins per style. What I also like to do is cross these for a better grip. So when you're putting them in, crisscross them. So the bun also does stay in place better. But I highly, highly recommend these. You get a whole bunch, and they do help the bun stay put.